Hi everybody, this is Purnima Mahalingam and welcome back to the video lecture series of protection switch gears. In last class, we have seen the zones of protections and types, where it is the zones, what are the types of zones and protections, and what are the zones. We have stopped in with this presentation, and today we are going to see the backup protection or the importance of backup protections. Okay. The primary protection is the main protection provided for all protection or protecting the power system elements for all types of faults. If the primary protection fails, then the backup protections comes into the action and removes the fault part from the heavy system. The backup protection is provided as the main protection can fail due to mainly reasons like failures in circuit breakers, failures in protective relay, and failures in DC tripping voltages, and losses of voltages or current supply to the relay. So these are the main reason why this backup protection is needed, why the backup protection is needed. So here if there is no backup protection and the main protection fails, then there is a possibility of severe damage in the system. So this is important. If there is no backup protection, what happens? Severe damage to the systems will happen. From the cost and economic point of view, the backup protection is employed only for the protection against short circuit and not for all any other abnormal conditions. Okay, these are the why the backup protection is needed. So the concept of backup relay. So here comes the concept of backup relay. The main requirements of the backup relay is that it must operate within minimum time delay. It's important. It must operate minimum time delay so that the primary relaying is given a chance to operate. So the primary relay can be operate easily. When the fault occurs, both type of relay starts, relaying operation, but primary is expected to trip first and backup will reset without having time to complete its operation. Okay. Next is method of backup protection. Here are some of the methods of backup protection. So first method is relay backup protection. Next one is breaker backup protection. Next one is remote backup protection. And next one is centrally coordinated backup protections. So these are the method of backup protections. So now coming for essential qualities of protecting relay, what the relay needs. The relay needs some quantity. So what is that quantity? So now we can discuss what is that quantity one by one. So first one is speed. It need to act speedily, quickly. It need to act quickly. That is one of the qualities the relay is needed. So the relay system should disconnect the fault as quickly as possible. So because of this, it can improve the stability, which increase the amount of damages caused and increase the possibility of development of one type of fault into another more service type of relay. Next is with selectivity, is the ability of the protective scheme to determine the point at which the fault occurs and disconnect the fault part without disturbing the rest of the system. Next one is sensitivity. So it is ability of the relay systems to operate with low value of accurate qualities. The relay should be sensitivity to operate when the fault current exceeds the pickup value and should not operate when the fault current is less than the pickup value. So here the sensitivity factor, here we can see the sensitivity factor Ks equal to IS divided by I naught. IS divided by I naught. This is what sensitivity. Next one is relativity. This one is relativity. It is ability of the relay system to operate under the predetermined condition, or it is able to operate under the predetermined conditions. And simplicity, the relay system should be simple so that it can be easily maintained. It is closely related with the reliability. And economic, the most important factor in the choice of a particular protecting scheme is the economic aspects. As a rule, the protective cost should not be more than 5% of the total cost. 5% of the total cost. So this that's all about today's class. Today's class we have seen the what is an essential qualities of protecting relays. So one is speed. It should be act quickly, react quickly, and selectivity. We have to select the particular fault area quickly, and it must be sensitivity, and it must be reliability and simplicity and economically. These are the main essential parts of protecting relays. So with this, we can end up this video lecture, and we can see next video lecture. Thanks for watching.